Hey guys, it's Neha. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this marble cake. It consists of vanilla and chocolate cake layers, and it's super moist and so delicious and easy. Let's get started. Firstly, we're going to make the vanilla cake batter. So in a bowl, add half cup of sugar, half cup of yogurt or fresh curd, and 1/4 cup of oil with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for some flavor. And mix it all together nice and well. Now for the dry ingredients, sift 1 cup of plain flour, half teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of baking soda. Now I'm adding a pinch of salt. And now using the folding method, fold it carefully into the mixture. And make sure you don't over mix it. And lastly, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of water and just mix it in, using the fold technique again. It should have a nice and silky consistency. Now you can put it away, and we're going to make the chocolate cake batter now. So add half cup of yogurt, half cup of sugar, and 1/4 cup of oil with 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract into the bowl and mix it in all together. Now sift 3/4 cups of plain flour, half cup of cocoa powder, half teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of baking soda. Also a pinch of salt. And now use the cut and fold method to mix in the mixture well, and do not over mix it. And now for the final ingredient, add 2 tablespoons of water and you'll get a nice and silky consistency. Prepare your cake tin by putting some baking paper or some oil or butter. And so firstly, you're going to scoop 2 tablespoons of vanilla batter and transfer it to a cake pan. On top of the vanilla cake batter, add 2 tablespoons of chocolate cake batter. Alternatively, add chocolate and vanilla batter, allowing to spread naturally. This will help with the amazing marble cake / zebra cake look. Once you've finished all the layers, using a toothpick, give a zigzag swirl to get a nice design without disturbing the layers. Add the cake tin twice to remove any air incorporated into the batter, and place the cake tray into the preheated oven at around 180 degrees Celsius and bake it for around 15 minutes. I had some leftover batter, so I'm just going to make 4 cupcakes with it, and I'm going to use the same marble cake technique for this. And I'm going to design some different type of swirls into this, so you can design them however you like. So the first 2 cupcakes, I'm going to do this like flower type of thing, super cool, and the other 2 I'm just going to do a nice swirl. You can bake these for about 10 minutes. Our marble cake is finally ready. Look at how good it looks with the vanilla and chocolate layers. It looks amazing. So you need to allow the cake to cool completely, and later we're going to cut it into thick slices. You can top the cake with some frosting once the cake is completely cooled before cutting it if you like, but today I would just have it like this. If you are vegan, then you can replace the yogurt with water and add 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Look at how soft and delicious this cake looks. You can see the beautiful layers, an alternative of vanilla and chocolate layers, which are so gorgeous and they literally taste so good. It's so soft. You should really try this recipe out. And if you do, comment down below because I would love to know how it turned out for you guys. And here are the cute little cupcakes that I also made. The cupcakes are so moist and so perfect. And you can also see the layers inside. This is absolutely one of my favorite recipes because of the way it looks, and it's easy, it's eggless, and it tastes absolutely delicious. It's super moist and full of goodness. You guys should really try it out. Bye!